Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Shows. I Kiran. So today we will learn the common errors, okay? And after that we will see the vocabulary portion. It is useful for all defense examination and all the competitive examinations. So here we go. So friends, in our previous classes we did some rules of verb and now there are more rules of verb. Let's see. First one, any noun qualified by each or every is followed by a singular verb. What this rule says, देखो जब भी कोई नाउन है वो क्वालिफाइड होता है ईच और एवरी से, ठीक है, उसमें ईच और एवरी आ रहा है, वो उसमें हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे. ऑलराइट, लेट्स सी. Each one of those boys has the potential to get selected. See friend, what I told, मैंने बोला कि कोई भी चीज़ जो each और every से start हो रही है, okay, despite the fact that it is having plural things, okay, we will use only singular verb. Let's see, each one, ठीक है, अब each word use हुआ है, ठीक है, तो singular verb लगेगी. Alright, वन ऑफ दिस बॉयज़, ऑल्दो यहाँ बॉयज़ है, ये प्लूरल है, लेकिन वर्ब हमारी क्या लगेगी, सिंगुलर लगेगी. ऑलराइट, अगर यहाँ ईच नहीं होता तो हम क्या लिखते, हैव लिखते. बट व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू कि सिंगुलर वर्ब लगती है जब ईच और एवरी यूज़ होता है. ऑलराइट, सो सेंटेंस वॉज ईच वन ऑफ दीज बॉयज़ हैज़ द पोटेंशियल टू गेट सेलेक्टेड. ऑलराइट, सो नेक्स्ट रूल इज when two nouns, all right, when two nouns or pronouns are joined by not only but also the verb agree with second noun और pronoun. अब देखो जब भी कोई सेंटेंस है ना जिसमें not only और but also यूज़ हो रहा है, तो जो verb है वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग लगेगा, सेकेंड नाउन या प्रोनाउन के अकॉर्डिंग लगेगा. ऑलराइट, लेट्स सी. नॉट ओनली द ऑफिसर, सी ऑफिसर, एक ऑफिसर की बात हो रही है तो सिंगुलर है, बट ऑल्सो द सोल्जर्स, सी सोल्जर्स मैनी है ना, ऐसा लग रहा है, मीन्स प्लूरल है. तो व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, जब नॉट ओनली यूज़ होता है या बट ऑल्सो यूज़ होता है, इन दिस केस वी यूज़ सेकेंड नाउन और प्रोनाउन. द वर्ब एग्री विद द सेकेंड नाउन और प्रोनाउन. सो इसमें सेकेंड नाउन क्या था, सोल्जर्स थे. ओके, सो तो हमने इसके अकॉर्डिंग वर्ब लगाया, क्या लगा, वर्ड लगा. ऑलराइट, अदरवाइज ऑफिसर के हिसाब से क्या लगना चाहिए था, वॉज लगना चाहिए था, बिकॉज ऑफिसर इज सिंगुलर हेयर एंड सोल्जर्स आर प्लूरल हेयर. ऑलराइट, नाउ मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट रूल, अ ग्रेट मैनी, ठीक है, अ ग्रेट मैनी इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाई प्लूरल वर्ब. अब जहाँ भी अ ग्रेट मैनी आता है उसके बाद क्या लगता है, प्लूरल वर्ब लगता है. ऑलराइट, एंड प्लूरल नाउन. ओके, अ ग्रेट मैनी स्टूडेंट हैव पास दिस ईयर. अब अ ग्रेट मैनी आया, सिंपल सी बात है, मैनी मीन्स बहुत होता है, तो प्लूरल है तो प्लूरल के साथ हमेशा क्या लगेगा, प्लूरल के साथ प्लूरल ही वर्ब लगेगी ना. तो अ ग्रेट मैनी के साथ ध्यान देना. ओके, अ ग्रेट मैनी स्टूडेंट हैव पास दिस ईयर. ऑलराइट, हैज़ पास दिस ईयर नहीं होगा, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ ग्रेट मैनी फिश आर देयर इन दी पॉन्ड. सी फ्रेंड, अ ग्रेट मैनी, अब फिशेस तो नहीं होता ना, तो फिश होगा. ऑलराइट, अ ग्रेट मैनी, अब हम वर्ब को चेंज करना है ना, तो यहाँ हमने हैव लगाया था. ऑलराइट, तो इस यहाँ इज नहीं आएगा, आर आएगा, ठीक है, फिश आर. ऑलराइट, तो सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा, अ ग्रेट मैनी फिश आर देयर इन द पॉन्ड. ऑलराइट, सो नेक्स्ट रूल इज इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. ऑलराइट, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में डेयर नॉट एंड नीड नॉट आर यूज विदाउट टू. देखो कुछ मॉडल्स होते हैं. ऑलराइट, when I told you about the classification of the verb, I told you one type is modal also, although we will read modals in our next class. But see what happens कि जो dare और need होते हैं ना, ये modals होते हैं. So इनको हम verb की तरह भी यूज़ करते हैं. So dare not and need not are used without to, ठीक है, इनको हम टू के बिना यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है। सो लेट्स सी, यू डेयर नॉट टू लीव इंडिया। अब देखो, यू डेयर नॉट टू नहीं आना चाहिए, ठीक है, तो यू डेयर नॉट लीव इंडिया। ऑलराइट, सो इट्स इन रॉन्ग सेंटेंस। नेक्स्ट वन इज हाउ डेयर यू टू फेल इन द एग्जामिनेशन। हाउ डेयर, देखो जब क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं ना तो हम वी कैन यूज दिस, हाउ डेयर यू टू फेल इन द एग्जामिनेशन, इट्स राइट वन, बट you dare not fail in exam, it's correct one. All right, you dare not to live in India was the incorrect one. You dare not fail in the examination. See friend, I didn't use to here. All right, that's why it's a correct sentence. All right, so now there's some question, you have to find the error. All right, it's a spotting the error, and in one go we'll do this question. Okay, the first is, there are dozen of geography books lying in the shelf of my personal library, and you can use them whenever you like, no error. See friend, there जब भी ना dozen आता है ना, it's 12 combination. all right, so dozen में क्या होगा, कभी भी r नहीं यूज होगा. all right, dozen किस में है, कलेक्टिव होगा, ठीक है, तो is यूज होगा. all right, so there is a dozen, so error is in the first part. all right, so next sentence is, the number of amendments to our constitution have been very large during the last 50 years of independence, no error. See friend, where would be the error? The numbers of amendments to our constitution, all right, has been, all right, have been नहीं होगा, क्या होगा, has been. okay, has been very large during the last 50 years. so error is in the B part. Next, just to the north of India is the Himalayas that were once impregnable. okay, see friend, अब देखो क्या है, सेंटेंस पढ़ेंगे तो यहाँ वर्ब मिलेगा और यहाँ हमने इज यूज करा है. सो एरर इज इन दी बी पार्ट, ठीक है, तो यहाँ क्या आर दी हिमालयाज. ऑल राइट, नेक्स्ट वन इज, सी disappeared and found that near a well outside the village, no error. See friend, what would be the correct option? Let's find out. She disappeared. okay, अब देखो ये पास्ट का सेंटेंस है, सी डिसअपियर्ड एंड. सी फ्रेंड, अगर हम इसको वन गो में बोलेंगे तो दिस सेंटेंस विल सीम राइट, बट इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज सी डिसअपियर्ड एंड was is missing here. all right, so and was found dead near a well outside the village. all right, so errors in the B part. Next, I had been to Delhi last week to visit my friend, no error. See friend, let's see where the error in this part. okay, so I had been है ना, तो we will replace this one. okay, तो ऐसा नहीं होता, गई थी है ना, तो I went. all right, I went to Delhi last week to visit my friend. this time she is in or he is in her place. so जब भी ऐसा कुछ सेंटेंस आता है ना तो went होता है. ठीक है, आई वेंट टू दिल्ली, आई वेंट टू मुंबई. ऑल राइट, सो उसमें क्या आएगा, वेंट आएगा. ओके, सो एरर इज इन दी ए पार्ट. नेक्स्ट, either she or you is to blame for the mismanagement of the domestic affairs, no error. See friend, जो सेंटेंस है ना यहाँ पे को either के साथ जब भी हम either यूज़ करते हैं ना, either you, ठीक है, either you or she, all right, ऐसे यूज होगा. So error is in the first part. Next is it were the children that caused a lot of problems to their parents during long bus journey, no error. See friend, where would be the error? It is in the A part. okay, it were the children, no, it was the children. all right, it was the children that caused a lot of problem to their parents during long bus journey. See friend, in spotting the error, we must have the good understanding of the sentences, not only of the verb but also the adjective, adverbs, all right, preposition, noun and pronoun. Only in this condition we can find out the word which is missing and which we have to add. All right, otherwise all the sentence seems correct. Okay, so अगर हमको नाउन की अच्छी नॉलेज होगी सो वी विल सी दैट इट चिल्ड्रन के साथ आता है. ऑल राइट, इट वॉज चिल्ड्रन होना चाहिए. ऑल राइट, नेक्स्ट वन इज ही विल बी लाइकली टू लीव फॉर यूनाइटेड स्टेट last year to visit his brother. No error. See friend, what would be the error in this part? See, he will, no, will be नहीं आएगा यहाँ. He was likely. ठीक है, आप क्योंकि सेंटेंस पढ़ो ना. He was likely to leave for the United States last year. लास्ट ईयर की बात हो रही है, ठीक है, और विल बी फ्यूचर के लिए हो रहा है. तो क्या हो जाएगा? ही वॉज, ठीक है, ही वॉज लाइकली टू लीव फॉर US, okay, last year to visit his brother. All right, next one is the soldiers along with the commanders was court martialed for defying the orders. See friend, अब यहाँ दो चीज़ है ना, soldiers along with the commander, तो एक तो नहीं है ना, तो वर आना चाहिए. All right, next one is the rest of the students is still working. No error. See friend, the rest of the students are आएगा. All right, क्या आएगा? आर आएगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, नो वन इन दिस वर्ल्ड कैन बी एबल टू डू वर्क continuously for 10 hours. No error. See friend, what is the error in this sentence? It is no one in this world, okay, can be able to do work. All right, so can be नहीं, is able to. ठीक है, is able to. Next one is the period of 25 years have passed and still he is without a job. The period of 25 years, all right, has passed. Okay. Next, people have a right to criticize, but at the same time, each of them have to remember his duty also. See friend, where would be the error in this part? It is in the C part. Okay. So people have a right to criticize, but at the same time, each of them has, ठीक है, has to remember his duty. देखो his duty आ रहा है, तो अगर हम have लगाएंगे तो their duty आना चाहिए था. All right, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Has to remember. All right, next sentence, the child picked up a burnt paper from the street. No error. See friend, जो burned होता है ना, ये क्या होता है? इसकी सेकेंड फॉर्म ना बर्न की, बर्नट होती है, BURNT. All right, then next one is the teacher was angry when he found that you are not there. No error. See friend, where would be the error? It is in the C part. All right, the teacher was angry, okay, when he found that you are. See friend, you के साथ are नहीं लगता, you were. All right, you were और past की बात भी हो रही है. ओके, यू वर नॉट देयर. इस सेंटेंसेस आपके यू के साथ क्या लगेगा? वर लगेगा. ऑल राइट, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, आई वुड लाइक यू टू कंप्लीट दिस असाइनमेंट बिफोर you will leave for Mumbai. No error. See friend, read this sentence once again, you will get the error, because I would like you, okay, it's correct, to complete this assignment. All right, before you leave for Mumbai, don't use will, okay, you leave for Mumbai. All right, one of his many good traits that comes to my mind was his modesty. No error. See friend, where is the error? It is in the C part. All right, one of his many good trait that comes to my mind is, ठीक है, आते हैं ना, is his modesty. All right, next one is, when the dentist came in, my tooth was stopped aching out of fear and that I might lose my tooth. See friend, when the dentist came, right, my tooth had stopped. All right, had stopped. Next, the chief idea of very common type of travelers is to see as many objects of interest as he possibly could. No error. See friend, the error is in the C part. All right, the chief idea of very common type of travelers is to see as many object of interest as he possibly can. could हम पास्ट की एबिलिटी के लिए शो करते हैं, ऑलराइट, और पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. तो ये किसी की अभी की पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए हम कैन, एबिलिटी के लिए हम कर रहे हैं प्रेजेंट की एबिलिटी, तो कैन यूज़ करेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द एरर्स of the verb portion. I hope you will revise it because spotting the error needs a good understanding of all the modals, verb, adverb, nouns, pronoun, preposition, etc. So now this is the vocabulary portion. We have 10 new words for you with synonyms, antonym and a sentence formation, and after that a quiz. The first word is huddle. See friend, huddle means क्या होता है? A close grouping. All right. A close grouping is known as huddle. All right, it's an verb. Crowd, kareeb aana, we can say. Or synonyms is gather and throng. See, throng means क्या होता है? A largely danced, ठीक है, a largely danced packed crowd of people. Either the crowd, it is the crowd of people or of animals, is known as throng. All right, next one. So what would be the antonym? It would be disperse. ठीक है, disperse means क्या होता है? जहाँ scattered है वहाँ से अपनी अपनी पोजीशन में चले जाना is known as disperse. All right, so example, both of them huddled under the blanket watching the flames grow. All right, next one is stark. See, stark means is an adjective. Okay, it means blunt. ठीक है, stark means severe or bare in appearance, all right, or blunt we can say, not having a sharp edge is known as blunt. Okay, then what is bald? It is not having any extra details is known as bald. Okay, bare is uncover. Okay, bare means uncover, bare is uncover. So what would be the opposite? It would be disgust. Why disgust? Disgust means क्या होता है? Change in appearance. Okay, change in appearance. Change in appearance. Okay, so let's form an example. His position is in stark contrast to that of his brother, means blunt. Okay, now next is don't. See, don't is a verb which means intimidate. Okay, don't means क्या होता है ना? Make someone feel apprehensive. Apprehensive मतलब घबराना. All right, घबराहट. Make someone feel apprehensive is known as don't is a verb. All right, so intimidate means क्या होता है? Threatened, भयभीत करना. All right, threatened. Okay, so what would be the synonym? It is abashed and shake. Okay, so किसी को अगर shake, the news shake me, that news shake me means इतनी भयभीत कर देना. All right, encourage means प्रोत्साहन करना. Okay, motivate करना. We can say, we can relate like this. Most of the elderly people are daunted by technology, means threatened by technology. Okay, viable means क्या होता है? Workable. Okay, it's an adjective which means feasible, which is practicable. Okay, which is possible outcome of something. Right, so antonym would be impractical. Let's form an example. The proposed investment was of economical viable nature, also is of a possible nature, workable nature. All right, next one is draconian. Okay, it is draconian. Draconian means कहता है excessively harsh. ठीक है, excessively कोई चीज़ harsh होना is known as draconian. ठीक है, you can relate it by anything. Okay, synonym would be severe or strict. A draconian teacher, you can say. So antonym would be mild. All right, let's form an example. The Nazis destroy the independence of press by a series of draconian rules. ठीक है, the Nazis destroy the independence of press का independence destroy करा Nazis ने by series of harsh law. ठीक है, by the series of draconian laws. All right, next one is delectable. Delectable क्या है? Adjective है, which means delicious. All right, we usually use delectable word for the food. or drink or something which is attractive, all right, is known as delectable. So synonym would be mouth watering एंड एपेटाइजिंग. सी फ्रेंड, एपेटाइजिंग मीन्स क्या होता है ना, स्वादिष्ट, किसी चीज़ को भूख ज़्यादा लग जाना इज नोन एज एपेटाइजिंग. ऑल राइट, सो व्हाट वुड बी द ऑपोजिट? इट इज़ इनएडिबल. एडिबल विच खाने के योग्य, ठीक है. इन मीन्स नॉट, वी कैन रिलेट लाइक दैट, इट्स अ रूट वर्ड. नॉट सुटेबल फॉर ईटिंग. ऑल राइट, लेट्स फॉर्म एन एग्जाम्पल. वी लव delectable handmade chocolates. All right, next one is caustic. Caustic is an adjective which means sarcastic. Okay, caustic means क्या होता है? In a sarcasm manner. And synonym would be cutting and biting. And what would be the opposite? It would be the kind. All right, let's form an example. The players were making caustic comments about the referee. All right, next one is contentious. Contentious means क्या होता है? Causing or likely to cause an argument. All right, it is somewhat related to argument and which is controversial in nature. All right, let's see synonyms. It is disputable, okay, and debatable, okay, which have two right and wrong things and which the people are not agree because of some problem is known as debatable. All right, next antonym is uncontroversial, means there is no controversy regarding any topic, it is known as uncontroversial. Let's see an example. We are dealing with a contentious point, ठीक है, we are dealing with a contentious point, all right, within controversial topic. Okay, next one is spare. Spare means क्या होता है? Extra. Okay, what do you do in your spare time? We ask this type of question. Okay, synonym is disputable. No, synonym is supplementary and additional. All right, it is additional or supplementary. Antonym is principal. All right, so here principal means the most important thing. Okay, so example, few people had spare cash of essentials. All right, next one is imperative. See, imperative is an adjective. Okay, imperative is an adjective which means dominating, ठीक है. और preempting. Preempting means क्या होता है ना, कोई चीज़ you are very master in something is known as peremptory. Okay, masterful. Synonym would be commanding and imperious. Imperious here means dominating nature. All right, so opposite of dominating is submissive. Submissive is passive. What is the passive nature? It is like you put your desire down than others. Okay, all right, you want to do, but because of the dominating nature of other or the submissive nature of yours, you can't do that work, is known as the submissive nature or a passive nature. All right, let's see an example. The bell pealed again, a final imperative call. All right, so here we have completed our 10 new words of vocabulary. Now it's time for the quiz. Okay, so you have to find the opposite meaning. Okay, so let's check how much word do you know. So first one is huddle. See friend, huddle means क्या होता है? Gather करना. Okay, so opposite would be disperse. All right, next one is stark. Stark means क्या होता है? Bald. Okay, blunt. So opposite would be disquest. All right, next one is daunt. Daunt here means intimidating or shake. All right, so opposite would be encourage. Next one is vival. Vival here means workable, so opposite would be impracticable. Next one is draconian. See friend, draconian opposite would be mild. All right, so next one is delectable. So opposite of delectable would be inedible. All right, next one is caustic. See friend, what would be the opposite of caustic? It would be kind. All right, next one is contentious. Contentious का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? जो controversial नहीं है, uncontroversial. All right, next one is spare. So spare opposite would be, let's find out, its principle, because additional, supplementary and extra are the similar meanings to spare. All right, next one is imperative. So imperative opposite would be submissive. All right, so here we have completed the quiz 2. Hope you like this session. If you like it, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. In case you don't know that we have live classes too of maths at 6 p.m. and of SSB at 8 p.m. Do visit them. Thank you. Keep learning. Jai Hind.